In this video, we are going to see about minus in SQL set operation. Let's see what is a set operator in SQL. A set operator in SQL combines the results of two or more select statement or compares rows from two or more tables. It returns a single result set by eliminating duplicate rows. Here is the syntax for set operator. Set column 1, column 2 from table 1, union or union all or intersect or except. Select column 1, column 2 from table 2. Now, what are the types of set operators? There are different types of set operators. They are union, union all, minus and intersect. Let's see about minus operation. The minus or except operator returns the list of records that are present in the first table and not in the second table. Database like SQLite, SQL Server and PostgreSQL supports the except set operation in SQL, and the minus operation is supported only by the Oracle database. Here we have the pictorial representation for minus operation. We have 1, 2, 3 in the first diagram and 3, 4, 5 in the second diagram. So the minus operate, the 3 is common in both the diagram. So the result is 1 and 2. So it removes the common data and display only the element which is not present in the second table. So we have 1 and 2. Let's see an example for minus operation. Here we have two tables, accounts table and sales table. Accounts table contains the details of employee who work for accounts department, and sales table contains the details of employees who work for the sales department. Suppose we want to list the employee working for the account department, not the sales department. We can use the minus query to achieve this task. Here we have query select start from account except select start from sales. Look at the output table. The output contains all the employees working for the account department, not the sales department. I hope you understand about the minus operator. In the next video, we are going to see about intersect operator. Thank you.